on, man. You gotta go.
Honor till death.
This leads to the river.
Euteria! The prefix U-E-U from the root word euphorus, meaning good. Root word tierra, meaning of the soil or earth. It is Euteria that we seek. There you will find the answers. For you have been blessed with a sacred duty to usher in a new era of purity to a world that caused you so much pain. We are the bearers of this salvation. This, Sinjas, is true freedom. It's not destruction we seek, but transformation. Euteria is where we make our righteous stand. The final chapter, Sinja Nash. Plunge thyself. Baptism, getting rid of the old you, reaching the new you.
This has been a very dramatic series of events. We don't know when it happened or how it happened exactly, because there's been so much confusion. But we are hearing that the administration is now telling senior members of Congress that it believes the Bakushi has been killed.
We will not tire, we will not falter, and we will not fail in our quest to defeat those who intend to do us harm through acts of terror.
Keeping us in the dark backfired, wouldn't you say?
Fuck off.
What were you doing with the Bakushi?
I'm gonna ask you the same question. Fuck you.
Oh, fuck me?
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Don't worry.
If there's
hell below, wow, gonna go. You're gonna like this, huh?